Webbot caused 23,000 before crash. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through my ultimate trading system. This has been my most powerful trading system for the last 10 years or more. You're gonna absolutely love this. Click on the box above that says ultimate trading system and you're gonna see all the details. I'm gonna give you the whole system absolutely free. All right, hey traders, hope you're doing well. This is for Moral, M-O-R-A-L-E-B. He says, thanks for your insights. What are your thoughts on Webbot? I read it called for the Dow 23,000. So I called for the Dow 23,000 before a major reversal is coming. What do I think about that? Well, what I think about that is that is just a prediction. That is just a prediction. That's it. Just a prediction. All right? It's not a projection. It's not what the market is telling you. It's not anything like that. Whenever you are trading, you follow what the charts are telling you, and that is it. There is only two things that are in the chart. And if you don't believe this, then you're not doing well in your trading. I know you're not. Because there is no such thing as fundamental news anymore in these markets. We know the PE ratios are extended and blah, 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 and overbought and blah, 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 and all this sort of stuff, right? So there is no fair value in these markets anymore. The only thing you can rely on is the charts. Look at the way they read the markets. And if you're not reading the markets properly, not reading the charts properly, then you know you're not doing well in your trading, because that is the only thing over the last 13 years of being involved in this market that you can rely on. And your ability to cut your losses short, let your wins run. So, what do I think about that? Like Bo Polny, Bo Polny, it's the exact same thing as Bo Polny, right? Bo Polny said 20,000 Dow, then shock, then crash. He's been saying that for the last 2 years. Every month there's been a reason for it to go down. Bo Polny just recently said that in February we're going to see an explosion. An explosion is about to happen. We're going to see a $100 point update in gold. It doesn't happen. These predictions are just predictions. There's nothing forming their analysis. But if you just form your analysis based on what the charts are telling you, that's what I see. 23,000, then reversal. I don't know about that. Because when the charts start to tell you there's a reversal, it's going to reverse. And if you don't believe me that charts rule and so on and so forth, go back and look at 2008 stock market crash. What did we start making? Lower peaks, lower drops. Go back to the 1929 stock market crash. Go back and look at the video I made a few days ago, or maybe last week. What happened? It made a lower peak before the crash. What happened in 1987 before the crash? It made a lower peak. Focus on the charts. And if the charts are not saying that, then there is nothing else to talk about. Period. The end. Finish. Fanata. Finished. The end. So do not ever trade based on what the Webbot says and stuff like that, guys. Because guess what, guys? These people out there making predictions. That's all it is, and it's leading you down the wrong path. Get away from that. The Webbot called a big move coming in June, July last year, and then it was August, and then it was September, and then he stopped calling it. He actually said, in the summertime in America, silver should double. So therefore, it was at about 19 at the time, 1920. He said it should be up at 40. It didn't happen. But if you look at the charts are showing you what's going on. And the charts are showing you what's going on right now today. If you're looking at a daily chart or if you're looking at a weekly chart. So that's the reason why it's important to read it day by day, week by week, to continue reading what that story is telling you. So do not place a trade based on what this Webbot says. Don't place a trade based on what they say. They're just predictions. They're just saying, oh, I had 23,000. Bing! That looks good. You know what? I think it's going to get to there and then it's going to reverse. What analysis do we actually have for that? Now, apparently, if you go back and look at some of Clif High Webbot calls, apparently he was saying March was supposed to be a bad month for the stock market. I don't know. Now, guys, this could just keep exploding, but 23,000 is all the way up here. If it does keep running, that's another 10% move to the high side. That would be amazing, but also scary as hell too. Why do I say scary as hell? Because that is sort of the setup that's going to happen on the chart if the market is going to reverse, and we're going to start to see a big move down. So, with all that being said, guys, don't place a trade based on what anyone says. Harry Dent or Polny or anything like that. The Webbot, Clif High. Don't. Yes, they may have some good stuff around them, but nothing comes from the truth apart from the charts. That's it. The charts. And if the market's going to hit 23,000 then reverse, guess what? The market will start to tell you that. Now again, guys, a crash could happen, a flash crash could happen in one day, or a one or 2 or 3 days. If that happens, then that happens. But a 80% move on the downside is probably going to take 12 months, not 1 week. So I hope this helps you out, guys. I hope this helps you out. Moraleb. Please, please, please do not place a trade based on what these guys are saying, guys. Because I've done that before. I've been there before, and they sound so confident, don't they? It's like, this guy sounds so sure about himself. He sounds so confident. This is what's going to happen. We're definitely going to get this. And nothing happens. And the next month. And the next month. And guys, you're chasing your bloody tail. Get into trades that you know are really good setups. That's it. And trade the exact same setup every single time. When it doesn't work, get out, bust for a small loss. When it does work, hold on for some good profit. The end. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.